Assalamualaikum class 6. Hope you are all fine. Here I am Saima Aslam to teach you Oxford Modern English. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the poem Mother to Son. But first of all, we shall read about the poet of the poem. About the poet Langston Hughes, his time of period was 1902 to 1967, was an American novelist, playwright, and short story writer. Hughes also wrote columns for newspapers and is perhaps best known for his poetry, jazz poetry. Here I will define to you what you mean by jazz poetry. Jazz poetry is defined as poetry that demonstrates jazz means music, which is all about rhythm. Rhythm means a regular pattern of sounds and improvisations. Improvisations mean the action of improvising or to say something spontaneously, and which implies the use of repetitive phrases just like jazz music. We can say that he used in his poetry repetitive phrases to create music. Through his uplifting poems, uplifting mean inspiring happiness or hope. Hughes wished to show that his people, African American, were valuable and had much to offer the country. His poetry reflects the diversity of African Americans within the USA and emphasizes their pride and identity. We can say that his poetry is focusing about his people's life, their pride, and their identity. In this poem, Hughes puts himself in the place of a mother speaking to her son with words of encouragement. Encouragement means the action of giving someone support, confidence, or hope. The poem was written in 1922. Now, students, I shall read the difficult words of the poem given under the heading of Words to Know. First word is a climbing. Climbing means climbing up, and informal. Informal mean that is not found in formal English. Mean has not. Also a contraction of am not. Crystal. Crystal mean a high quality, clearless, colorless glass. Honey. Honey. The word honey is used here as a term of endearment. Dear, sweetie, darling, eyes. Eyes a non-standard way of saying I have, and in the second paragraph or in the second instance in the poem, this stand for I am. Kinder mean kind of. Landings mean landings, the flat area without step where a stairway takes a turn. Set down mean sit down, stop, or rest. Splinters mean short, slender pieces of wood broken off from the main body. Tags mean short nails with a flat head. Dear students, now before reading the detail about the poem, I shall explain to you that this poem is about a mother and her son. Here you can see the picture of a mother and a son. Mother is talking to her son and describing him that life is not easy in this world. It has many problems, difficulties, and unbearable circumstances, so we must be ready for any kind of situation. So, dear students, it is our today's lecture, and if you feel any trouble, come in the comment box. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.